Brush is a real problem in Wisconsin. We have lots of different species of invasive brush and native brush that like to crowd out our native prairies. We've been looking around at a lot of different zero turns and flail mowers lately, and looking at different manufacturers, really trying to find the best thing that fits mowing a prairie, which is a pretty specialized task. And so we were lucky enough to find Orec, and they kind of found us as well, and had them out for a demo day here on the property, and got to really put a lot of their equipment to the test. Mowed down some pretty big brush and really steep hills, and you could tell everything was made a lot better, more suited for our type of work than the traditional lawn mowers or things that you usually find at the big box stores. So it was nice, especially the tracks made it pretty usable on those steep hills, and able to turn around and come back down and get a lot of work done in a short amount of time. So it was really nice to have Orec out today and see all their different pieces of equipment, and with each one you could really tell that it was well made and really a professional product. We have a lot of different types of machines around, and we do a lot of maintenance, and it's nice to see equipment that we think is going to last for a while.